In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly set up a product render scene. Let's create a plane. In edit mode, type 2 to edge select. Select and extrude an edge like this. Shift select two corner edges and Ctrl B to bevel with mouse wheel up like this. Let's shade smooth the mesh. Time to import an OBJ file. I'll separate the cap part, and apply a new material. I'll duplicate the mesh twice, and rotate them. Let's set the environment light strength to 0. I'll use a plane as the primary light source, but we can use other light objects as well. I like using a large plane, because it also works as a light bouncing object. We need to remove the shadows from the scene. We can add a point light to remove the shadows like this. This is optional, but we can duplicate the point lights as well. Please use at least 128 samples to render the scene to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.